Okay, we're at the back of the home. It's composition shingle gable roof. This is what we're looking at. As you can see from here, sometimes a little distance helps, add some perspective. But we've got a lot of algae. I'm facing south. The home faces south. And so, you know, this is the north side of the house where you're going to see more algae. And over here, it's a fascia board, that's a freeze board, and that's the edge flashing. And the edge flashing is not supposed to lap less than 10 inches, according to Corning. And then, of course, we've got some damaged freeze board right over there. And we'll get a better look at that here in just a moment. Old man going up the ladder. No extra charge for the entertainment. So there's our freeze board that's damaged, and that's our edge flashing that's not properly lapped. As we get up here, there's been a lot of paint on these shingles, and we've got some repairs, and then we've got some sumping where how it sags like that, and that's modified roll is what we've got. And there's some patching pookie on that. That's probably not the best way to address that roof penetration. It should actually look more like the neighbors over there. Well, that one's not installed right either, but at least there's a flashing plate to show you that was done wrong. But we don't have a jack or a flashing plate there. That pookie, you're gonna have to come up here. You should come up here about once a year, somebody, and take a look at that, because it gets dry and it cracks and it shrinks. Then we've got some exposed nails here. And on modified roll, what is it? We got a tear here. On modified roll, the sealant is supposed to come out. You're supposed to see a bead of sealant. So those edges, they're not bonded right. They're not bonded right. And sumping is where it sags like that. I don't know if the camera's catching that real well. I can probably get it better with a still image on my way out. Another tear. I don't even feel good walking on this. But see all that mastic sealer around there? That's not a flashing gasket. Sure isn't. A lot of wrinkles here. Like I said, exposed nails. Advanced granular loss. Some hail damage right there. Don't want to turn upside down. Hail, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the siding is not supposed to be in direct contact with the roof covering. It's supposed to be about a 2-inch gap there. And right there where the roof comes off of the wall, there should be kick-out flashing. Got a torn shingle here. Let's see, hail, 1, 2, 3, 4. I see a lot of fiberglass when it shines like that. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but that's the 5. That's the fiberglass mat coming out. Now the best warranty you can get on this, which is fine if the material's good, but it wasn't installed right regardless. But in its best day, about the best warranty you can get for this, and there is no warranty on this, is about 7 years. You get about 14 on this roof, and it's way over 14 years old. There's a torn shingle there. What'd I do with my... Another impact mark. Another impact mark. Another impact mark. Another impact mark. 9 hail damage. We've got all this algae over here. Impact mark. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I usually quit after 14 because that usually, a lot of times that will justify an insurance claim. This is the ridge beam across here. There's hardly any granules left on that. We're missing some shingle tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Satellite dish on roof. This roof is really basically impact mark, impact mark, impact mark, impact mark. This roof is wrecked. It was wore out anyway, regardless. But maybe you can get an insurance claim on it and help with the replacement costs. This roof may not leak today. Oh yeah, it's hail damage all over it. Hail damage all over. This is just an exercise. This roof is basically shot. Be prudent to budget for replacement.